Good morning to all of you. Today we have discussed about some problems that related to the differentiation of implicit functions. Here in this case implicit functions means the relation between variable x and y and that cannot solve easily for y, then y is called an implicit function of x. Today we have discussed about the some functions, some problems that differentiate here. Now question number Now here question number 23. If x to power y equal to e to power x minus y, then find dy by dx. And question number 24. If sin y equal to x sin a plus y, then find dy by dx. And problem 25. If x under root 1 plus y plus y into under root 1 plus x equal to 0, then find dy by dx. Here in this question x and y both are given here. Now question number 23. Solution 23. Given x to power y equal to e to power x minus y. Now taking log both sides, log x to power y equal to log e to power x minus y. Here this can be written as y log x equal to, this can be written as log a to power x equal to log m to power n, log m to power n is equal to n log m. In the similar sense, this can be written as x minus y log e, and as you know that log e equal to 1, log e basic that is equal to 1. Putting this here, now this can be written as y log x, and this is 1. This can be x minus y. Now this y transfer here, y plus y log x equal to x here, and now taking common y here, in this case 1 plus log x and y equal to x. This can be written as y equal to x by 1 plus log x. Now in this case dy by dx, differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx. Here dy by dx equal to d by dx x by 1 plus log x. As you know that differentiation of numerator and denominator, it means that ans by half, so that this can be written as half and 1 plus ln x d by dx into x minus ans and x into d by dx 1 plus log x divided by स्क्वायर ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर यानी हर का स्क्वायर 1 प्लस log x का होल स्क्वायर. नाउ वन प्लस ln d by dx with differentiation of x with respect to x equal to 1. This can be written as 1 plus log x minus this is x into differentiation of 1 with respect to x equal to 0 and log x 1 by x here. Now dy by dx equal to divided by here in this case 1 plus log x का whole square. Now dy by dx equal to 1 plus log x minus this is 0, this multiply this is 1, so that this is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus log x का square. And now this and this cancel, so that we get dy by dx equal to log x divided by 1 plus log x का whole square. This is our answer. This is our answer. Now here question number 24. If sin y equal to x sin a plus y, then find dy by dx. Now this is implicit function sin y equal to x sin a plus y. On differentiating with respect to x, d by dx sin y equal to d by dx x sin a plus y here. Now differentiation of this d by dy into dy sin x into dy by dx, dy cancel, d by dx sin y, no difference here. And this is a first and second functions, so that differentiation of first into second plus first function into differentiation of second functions. Now sin y with respect to y equal to cos x, differentiation of cos x dy by dx equal to differentiation of dx by dx equal to 1, and here sin a plus y, now x into d by dx with respect to y, with respect to y, a plus y d by d of a plus y sin y equal to cos differentiation of this cos a plus y, and d by dx a plus y, so that differentiation of a equal to 0, that is equal to dy by dx here. Now dy by dx here, dy by dx here, in this case this terms comes here with negative sign, and taking the common dy by dx cos y and minus x of cos a plus y dy by dx, and these terms remain here. Now dy by dx equal to sin a plus y divided by cos y minus x cos a plus y. Putting the value of x here, x equal to sin y by sin a plus y here, so that sin y by sin a plus y into cos a plus y. Now we taking the LCM sin a plus y, this multiply here, so that multiply here, after that comes here, so that this is equal to sin square a plus y, and this is equal to sin a plus y cos y, sin a plus y cos y minus cos a plus y sin y. Now here apply sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, sin a minus b here, so that this is equal to sin square a plus y divided by sin a minus b, and sin a plus y minus y. Y और y cancel, so that this is equal to sin square a plus y divided by sin a. Sin a, this is equal to dy by dx. dy by dx, this is our answer here. This dy by dx is equal to sin square a plus y divided by sin. This is answer here. Now question number 25 here. If x plus under root 1 plus y under root 1 plus x equal to 0, then find dy by dx. First of all, in this question we are remove the under root, so that this question here 1 x 1 plus y under root 1 plus x, transfer this here with negative sign and squaring both sides, x square 1 plus y equal to y square 1 plus x, so that x square here y square, x square minus y square, and this x square y comes here minus x square y and plus x y square. Now x square minus y square equal to x plus y and x minus y, and here we taking the common minus xy, here remain x and here y minus y, because negative sign take the common, so that this become negative. X minus y and x minus y cancel, so that x plus y equal to minus xy, and after that this comes here positive, and xy plus y, and this comes here with negative sign, so that y equal to minus x by 1 plus x. Here in this case, on differentiating with respect to x, here dy by dx equal to, in this case this is a negative sign and this is numerator and denominator, so that ans by har, and har into denominator into ans by har, denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator divided by square of denominator, so that 1 plus x d by dx minus x d by dx 1 plus x and divided by 1 plus x square. Now here differentiation of this is equal to 1, so that here remain 1 plus x and minus, and here in this case this is differentiation of 1 equal to 0, this is 1, so that multiply this is only simply x and remove here, so that this is only minus 1 divided by 1 plus x whole square. This is our answer. And now we take next problem here. Now here question number 26. If y is equal to under root sin x plus under root sin x plus under root sin x up to infinity and sin x greater than 0, then find the dy by dx. Now solution 26. Y equal to this can be written as y equal to under root sin x plus this is sin x under root sin x. This can be in infinity, so that on the place of this term we can also write y here, and this can be written as because goes on the infinity. Now squaring both sides, on squaring both sides here, this becomes y square equal to here sin x plus y. Now only remove the square root and differentiating both sides with respect to and differentiating both sides. We get both sides with respect to x, d by dx y square equal to d by dx sin x plus y. Now this is y square, this can be written as d by dy y square into dy by dx equal to this differentiation of sin x with respect to x. This is sin x cos x and plus dy by dx. This is equal to dy by dx. Now this can be written as differentiation of y square with respect to y, x to power n, nx n minus 1. In a similar sense, this is equal to 2y dy by dx equal to cos x into plus cos x plus dy by dx. This comes here, and this can be written as 2y minus 1, 2y minus 1 dy by dx, because only dy by dx comes here, equal to cos x. Now show that dy by dx equal to cos x by 2y minus 1. This is our answer. Now next question here 26, 27. Solution of this. If y equal to x cos y plus y cos x, then find dy by dx. Differentiating y equal to x cos y plus y cos x, find dy by dx. Now differentiating this with respect to x, dy by dx equal to d by dx, this is first and second, this is also first and second, so that d by dx into x cos y plus x into d by dx cos y. Similar things in this case, plus y dy by dx into cos x plus y d by dx cos x. Now in this case, dx by x, this is 1 into cos y plus x cos y, differentiation of cos y, this is equal to, with respect to y, minus sin y and also dy by dx here, and in this case differentiation of this dy by dx and cos x dy by dx plus this y and cos x with respect to x is equal to minus sin x. Now we see here that dy by dx, this comes here, dy by dx, and this is equal to minus x sin y, this comes here, plus one thing here, this comes here also positive, x sin y dy by dx, and this is also comes here minus cos x dy by dx equal to here cos y, and this is minus y sin x. Now we see here that taking the common dy by dx here 1 plus x sin y minus cos x dy by dx equal to cos y minus y sin x. Now dy by dx equal to this comes here cos y minus y sin x divided by 1 plus x sin y minus cos x cos y. This is our answer. Now we take another problem here. Now here question number 28. If y under root 1 minus x square plus x under root 1 minus y square equal to 1, when mod of x less than 1 and mod of y is also less than 1, then find dy by dx here. Now y equal to under root 1 minus x square plus x under root 1 minus y square is equal to 1. Now in this case, with the help of this, if you put the value of x sin theta, let us suppose that x equal to sin theta, so that 1 minus x square and 1 minus sin square theta, that is equal to cos square theta under root, so that this is equal to only simple cos theta, and this is become here 1 minus y square, y equal to sin phi, 1 minus sin square phi, that is a sin cos square phi, and under root cos square phi is simple cos phi. So that now here putting x equal to sin theta and y equal to sin phi, then we get here y equal to sin phi and under root 1 minus sin square theta plus x equal to sin theta and y is of under root 1 minus sin square phi. Now under root 1 minus sin square phi, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and 1 minus sin square theta equal to here, this is 1 minus sin square theta equal to here cos square theta, and under root cos theta, that is simple cos theta, so that sin phi cos theta plus sin theta and cos phi, and this is equal to 1. Now sin A cos B, we know that sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, this is equal to sin A plus B. Sin A plus B. Sin A plus B equal to होता है sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Similar things here, sin A cos B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, that is a sin A plus in theta plus phi equal to 1. So that theta plus phi equal to sin inverse 1 here, and this is a putting sin x equal to sin theta, so that theta equal to sin inverse x and phi equal to sin inverse y here, and this is here. Now on differentiating with respect to x here, sin inverse x d by dx, sin 1 by 1 minus x square plus sin y here in this case d by dx, so that d by dx sin inverse this, d by dy sin inverse y equal to 1 by under 1 minus y square, and also dy by dx. Now this comes here with negative sign, this comes here with negative sign 1 by itana, and this is multiply, so that under 1 minus y square divided by this is our answer here. Now like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.